Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we'll be dealing with more problems on logarithm. Yes, problems of logarithm to think about what to do with the laws of logarithm to solve these logarithm questions. Let's take the problems one after the other. Problem number 1. Question says, find the value of k given that log k log k minus log k in brackets minus 2 equals to log 5. So you can see that in this question, we are not given the base of the log. So what do we do when we are not given the base of the log? Definitely all the log does not have base. All do not have base. So we just assume that they follow a standard base of the log, which is what? Correct. Base 10. So we'll just take this log k minus log into bracket k minus 2. So we'll take one log, let's say log, and this is k minus becomes division k minus 2 equals to log 5. And now that we have log k divided by k minus 2 equals log 5, so we can divide log from both sides. So when we cancel log from both sides, we are left with k all over k minus 2 equals 5 over 1. So now that we have this, we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we multiply this numerator by denominator and this denominator by this numerator. So k multiplied by 1 remains k, and then equal to 5 open bracket k minus 2. So when we open this bracket, k is equal to 5 times k, 5k minus 2. That is 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. So collect like terms. So when we collect like terms, we see that k minus 5k is equal to minus 10. So let's proceed here. K minus 5k, that will be minus 4k, right? K minus 5k, that is 1k, that is plus 1k minus 5k, so that will be minus 4k equals minus 10. So what do we do here to make k the subject of the formula? Correct, we divide both sides by minus 4. So minus cancel minus here, 4 cancel 4, we are left with a k here equals minus divide minus, so 10 over 4 is our answer here. So this is an improper fraction. We can just make it a mixed fraction. So 10 divided by 4 is 2 whole number. We are left with 2 over 4. So this is a mixed fraction, yet we should reduce it to its lowest term. So it becomes 2 whole number 1 all over 2. So the value of k is 2 whole number 1 over 2, or we can write 2.5. So this is the value of k. Let's take problem number 2. Problem number 2. Now, problem number 2 says, if log 2 minus log 2x minus 1, if log 2 minus log in bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. Find x. Find the value of x. So without wasting our time, logarithm seems to be simple once you know the laws and you know how to apply them. So what do we do now? We begin to think. This log does not have base, so we assume a particular base for them. But we have here log, and we do not have at the right hand side log. So what do? We're still going to apply the law of logarithm. So let's get into the solution. Log 2 minus log in bracket 2x minus 1 equal to, now how can I transform this to have a log 2? Remember the formula that says that log of the same base is equal to 1. So we are going to assume that we have a log here that's having the same base, but these ones do not have. So we are going to assume a base for all, that is base 10, the standard base for logarithms has base 10. So we are going to take 10 for it. So this is already taking 10 in that manner. So since that is happening now, so we can now say that we have log 10 2 divide by, this is minus 2x minus 1 equal to log 10 base 10. So I can now cancel out log 10 from both sides, so I'll be left with 2 all over 2x minus 1 equals to 10. Be careful of choosing a particular log. If the base is not given, so you should take the standard log for it. Otherwise, the question might not be correct to answer by assuming that the log at the one side is different from the log at the other side. So, or you have to leave your answer in logarithm form without simplicity. So, look at it now. We have this. So, what we are going to do now is to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we'll multiply this numerator by denominator and this denominator by this numerator. So 2 times 1 is just 2 equals to, so we are left with 10 multiply 2x minus 1. So we open this bracket, 2 equal to 2 times 2x is just 20x minus 10 times 1 is just 10. So we collect like 10 so that minus 10 goes to the other side. So it becomes 2 plus 10 equals to 20x. So coming to this part, so we're just going to say 2 plus 10 is 12 equals to 20x. So to make x the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by 20. So 20 cancel 20, we are left with x is equal to 12 over 20. I know this is just a proper fraction, but there will be need for you to reduce it to the lowest term. So should I say 4 goes, 4 in 12 is 3, and 4 in 20 is just 5. So the value of x is just 3 over 5. I hope you understood everything we did in this video. Take your time to go through again, get all that we did in application of the laws, and practice questions that are related to these problems. Bye bye. See you in the next video.